Hello students, welcome again. So today we will be completing our page number 48 and 49. It means आज हम हमारा remaining lesson complete करने वाले हैं. So what you have on page number 48, speak and shine. It means it is an oral work. Okay, no need to write anything, you have to just speak orally. Now speaking about parents' profession. So what we are going to learn today, speaking about our parents' profession. Profession means वो क्या काम करते हैं. Sunanda Patkar is a musician. The person taking her interview is a journalist. Like हमारे lesson में सुनंदा पाटकर कौन थी? She was a musician. Yes, and the person who was taking an interview was a journalist. They both do a type of job that needs special training or skill. Such jobs are called as professions. So, सुनंदा पाटकर और ये जर्नलिस्ट एक पर्टिकुलर काम कर रहे थे, राइट? उनका एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब है जिसके लिए उन्हें स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग चाहिए. सो सच टाइप ऑफ जॉब्स आर कॉल्ड प्रोफेशन. Describe the profession of your parents in a few sentences. Now what it is said, what you have to do, you have to describe or you have to tell about your parents' profession. Like examples are policeman, chauffeur, gardener, nurse, etc. You can say a doctor. Now see, what you have to speak is, you can speak about the following. So, what are you going to ask about? Like, my father, he is an doctor. If my father is a doctor, what I will say? What kind of work does your father do? My father is an doctor. What he do? He treat the patients. What kind of work does your mother do? About my mother. My mother is a teacher. What she do? She teaches. What is their profession called? Now the person who treats to patient, who look after the sick person is called as doctor. The person who teaches in the school is called teacher. Does it require special tools or instrument? कोई स्पेशल चीज़ें लगती है क्या? Yes, doctor requires his medical kit and teacher, she requires a place like school. She needs blackboard, chalks and duster for teaching. She needs some study material. In this way, you also have to describe about your father's and mother's profession. Okay, this is an oral work. Now come to the next, write and express. Describe your favorite song. Now what it is saying, what we have to do is, you have to describe your favorite song. Like song name, who is the singer, what is the language, is it in Hindi, is it in Marathi, when did you hear it first, आपने पहली बार कहाँ सुना था वो song, and why did you like it, और आपको क्यों अच्छा लगा. Students, this is also an oral work. Instead of writing, you just go for orals. Okay, now come to the next side. Next page number 49. Put your ears to it. Track 5. So students, I will read a track for you. Listen for details. Listen to the audio and take the workers, professionals you hear in it. Okay, you can see there are many persons here, right? All are doing their work. So today what we have to do is, I will read a track for you and you have to put a tick mark to the correct person. Let's start. I went to a mall today with my mom and dad. We saw a lot of people doing their respective job. What we have seen? Lot of people doing their respective job. Many people visit the mall every day. This makes the mall dirty. Yes or no? Many persons, बहुत सारे लोग जाते हैं ना malls में, and it makes the mall dirty. The janitor is the person who helps keep the mall clean. The janitor sweeps the mops and the floors so that. So what we have seen, the janitor is the person who cleans the mall. So students, you can see here, where is it? Number 3, 1, 2 and 3. The third picture is of the person who keeps the mall clean. So what you have to do, you have to put a tick mark here. Okay, now listen to the next. We went to the grocery store to buy groceries. The salesperson helped us find the things we were looking for. The cashier billed the items and gave us the exact change. Then we went to the cake shop. The baker had prepared a special cake today. It had blueberries as the filling. It was so yummy. So what we have seen? We have seen the person, he went to the baker. Where is the baker? The last row, okay, last row, number 2. And we have also seen that the cashier is making the payments. So it is the last row, number 1. Next, finally, as we were leaving, we met my father's best friend. He is a cartoonist. Where is the cartoonist? Here in the second row, first picture है कि नहीं? Second row की first picture. Put a tick mark. He is a cartoonist. His cartoons are published in the daily newspaper. He was there with his family. His wife is an optician. It was an enjoyable day spent at the mall. So students, what we have listened? The wife of the cartoonist, she is an optician. You can see here the person who is good in the opticals is called as optician. So it is the last picture of the third row. We have also seen a person who helps in. So students, what we have listened, that the person was helping for collecting out, for taking out the items. Who was he? He was the salesperson. Have you ticked mark the salesperson? No. So here it is in the second row, second picture. So हमने क्या क्या देखा था मॉल में? Person who cleans, he is called as janitor. The person who makes the cartoon, he is called as cartoonist. The person who helps us in taking out the correct product from the mall, he is called as salesperson. The person who makes the cash payments, who bills our items, is called as cashier. Who bakes the cake is baker, and the person who is good in the opticals is called as optician. In this way, students, you have to complete your page 48 and 49 of your workbook. Okay, bye bye.